activate the Spin Around All option to lock the model at the center of the 3D environment. Zoom in on the model, moving the mouse forwards while keeping the left mouse button pressed. Zoom out from the model, moving the mouse backwards while keeping the left mouse button pressed. Orbit around the model, moving the mouse with the right button pressed. Move the model around within the scene by keeping the mouse wheel button pressed. Disable the Spin Around All feature to set the observer's view. Now move the observation point in relation to the model using the mouse wheel button. Keep the right mouse button pressed and move the mouse backwards and forwards to raise or lower the observation point. By moving the mouse from one direction to the other, you can look to the left or the right